Hi everybody, my name is Troy Hawes and welcome to my Acoustic Lounge. Hey, I want to let you in on a little secret. Did you know that by learning 7 basic chords and having a general understanding of bar chords, you can literally play hundreds of songs? Let's take a couple of minutes now and look at one of those chords. A major chord. Let's have a closer look now. The 6th string, top string, is actually not played in this particular chord. So you try to mute it however you can. In my case, I actually use my thumb. I just put my thumb over and mute it. The 1st string that's hit is actually the open 5th string, and it's an A. Then you're going to use your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string. This is an E. 3rd finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. That's an A. And lastly, you're going to use your 4th finger, 2nd fret, 2nd string. That's a C sharp. This is an A major chord.